Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Minecraft for free in Google. So this is going to be the best working methods updated in 2026. So follow along so you do not miss a single step. Now, what we need to do is simply go to this particular website, which is going to be MC launcher.com, and this website is really great for providing Minecraft specifically. Once you head over to there, it is going to be a launcher that you have, and click on direct install. You can see we have two different options to download and install that. Once you download the option using the direct download option, there you need to simply click on request download links, and you can click onto that if it is taking too long for the direct download. And once you have the downloaded file, simply open it. Make sure you have Java already installed onto your PC. Once you install the launcher, and boom, you're going to be simply creating your account. The game is going to be downloaded and installed in the launcher automatically. You do not need to do anything. Simply set your username and you have Minecraft completely free to play. So I hope this helps, and see you around in the next one.